Hi everyone, welcome to
Live in Life.
My name is Victoria. This is my wifey,
Regina.
Mwah.
And today
we are eating noodles with lotus root and sesame leaf or perilla leaf. Very nice.
glass noodles.
Yeah, no, you have to try them and tell me what you think about them.
Are they glass noodles?
I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe. What?
And those are eggs with shimiji mushrooms and again perilla leaf and soy sauce and flavored with sesame sauce. Here I have pickled radish, sweet pickled radish like they do in Korea. And this is gochujang paste to add a little bit of spice to my.
And of course it's a must.
Yes.
Without gochujang, we're not gochujang.
Someone asked.
What did I say?
I have no idea.
Yeah,
Someone asked me how it tastes. It's peppery, it's spicy, sweet, and they add here fermented soybean paste, and it's kinda flavor like miso, but not exactly. And overall, it's amazing. Yes, I showed them this, and we showed them this. Yes. Have you seen this? Okay, good. And this is I showed them everything.
Yes.
Okay.
You want me to help you put stuff in the plate?
No, I'm good.
You intrigue me.
Yes.
Spicy.
It's spicy? Not too much.
Are those glass noodles?
No.
What is that?
This is how it looks.
Sweet potato?
No.
Yam?
Mm-mm.
Squid?
Mm-mm. It's kelp noodles.
Oh,
Those noodles that have 6 calories per 100 grams or something.
so we could have had cake for dessert.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You know what the bummer is, we don't have cake.
We don't have cake. This is the, I never ever cooked kelp noodles. But those kelp noodles looks like awesome and they taste amazing. So I had no idea how to cook them. I went online.
That's what you didn't want to tell me, just wanted me to find out?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
And the sauce here, I have a couple of secrets in sauce as well. One of them is peanut butter and a little bit of barbecue sauce.
It's spicy, honey.
You like it?
It burns.
Too spicy?
It's really burnt.
Interesting. Whew. I thought it will get. It's probably the barbecue sauce, I've added a little bit of barbecue sauce.
I'll cut my lotus root with scissors. I think it's perfect idea. There we go.
This one.
See? You're taking lotus root and chopping it into pieces. What are you looking at?
I thought I see something that's not supposed to be, but not, I haven't. I don't know.
What?
Those parts, you see? There are some, I thought it's hair, but it's not hair, it's actually part of the noodles and part of the perilla leaf.
No, it's not, there's no hair.
That's not hair. So
No
sorry.
hair.
Yeah.
Is that what you thought?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Try this one, it's absolutely not spicy.
Perfect.
So you can add here.
It's the plan. And I love to cut with scissors. It's my love.
And this is shimiji mushrooms. If you have never tried those,
Do you want me to cut it for you?
I think so. Actually, with knife.
Well, I don't have a knife here.
Yeah, I know.
And I like it with scissors. That's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it. Yeah.
My mushroomy.
Shroomy.
No, it's here.
Didn't went far.
No, didn't go far.
Didn't go far.
It's so easy. I'll cut for you.
I don't need to.
No, why not? It's cool. Do you want it cut? It's awesome.
Okay. It's nice. Actually, I got the flavor so much right that I'm not sure that I need this one. It is a bit spicy, but tiny bit. I'm afraid that gochujang now will overpower the other flavor.
It's spicy enough that gochujang is not needed, my opinion.
I want to add a little bit more spiciness to it though, in my opinion, but I don't want the gochujang flavor now. It's okay.
Yes, honey.
Thank you, honey.
But the noodles are really interesting.
Aren't they? They're different. They're not, when I flip it, they're a little bit crispy as a general rule. And in order to get rid of this crispiness, I had to do quite extensive research on how to cook them.
And I wasn't sure, because I thought it's one of the threads, one of the noodles, should I say, tasted like zucchini. And it was really weird, like it's like really, it can be anything.
Actually, they have absolutely no flavor by themselves. Like, I can give you, I have a little bit more.
I think any dish you make, it depends on what you add to the dish, and it will totally be whatever you want.
I think awesome to add it to the soups. I think it will be really, really nice soup. How it's with egg.
Amazing.
I told you that the egg will bring and mushroom. Okay, I couldn't resist.
And again, the mushroom take a bit the spiciness away, so it actually balances it well for me.
Yeah, when I added egg, I had to add a little bit more spiciness.
Mind you, I really like pickled stuff. So the pickled radish totally even makes it better.
Yeah, and this is sweet pickles. It's quite sweet.
It's just like everything in here just complements each other. To me.
Thank you, honey. To me too. It's really nice.
And the lotus root is really lotus root.
Lotus root. It's
I'm
really
right,
crunchy. You can buy them fresh.
It's like nuts.
It gives something to them.
It gives a nutty flavor.
You remember that I
Nutty
have here
flavor.
peanut butter as well.
I know, but it works great with peanut butter, the lotus.
Yes. I buy Lotus in those vacuum package with salted water already pre-boiled. And it's easier for me to add to salads, to stews like this.
It's really nice.
It's really nice.
The scissors is brilliant. Nice choppy.
Actually, I learned it from Korean people
It's brilliant, I love it.
to use
Ingenious.
so much. Like I always love those kitchen scissors. But
Way more.
since I started eating and cooking more Korean food, I found that it's just brilliant way.
I know. I find it's more convenient. No cutting yourself, nothing, and does the job amazing.
Especially for me.
For me too. I think for kids it's probably safer. Just cut it.
Nice.
Want radish?
You can add radish here, I think you will enjoy it as well.
There is a reason I don't.
Because it's cold. And this is warm.
Exactly.
I know my life.
I like the fact that it's cool.
Mwah. I love you.
Love you too, sweetie.
I know how she operates.
I'm glad someone knows how I operate. Sometimes I'm not sure how I operate.
You know how many times she asked me how I like it?
Yeah.
Actually, I really as well.
Like you cook and stuff, so you know you don't always pay attention. You don't always, you know. I know you like what you do, but I don't know what you do. Not always. And I like them thin shreds.
The thinner, the better.
No, and I mean I like them long. You know, not the whole thing. That's perfect. Little skinny things.
You have perilla leaf on your.
And the perilla leaf is really pungent.
But I think it adds a lot of flavor to the dish. And freshness.
Most definitely.
I like this. You know, if you eat it's already come pre-cooked.
The kelp noodles?
Kelp noodles, yeah. But you can eat them crunchy.
So they were crunchy, and you had to cook them more.
They were really crunchy. I mean, vegetable type of crunch they had to them.
Oh.
You know, like not the crunchy. You know. I will give you a taste afterwards.
Oh,
so
interesting.
And a lot of people don't like them because they're too crunchy, or people add them just to the salads.
So you like boil it more.
So there is things that you need to do, like they're salted, so you need to wash them under the water, and then in hot water, and then to add to the stir fry, and at least 5-7 minutes to soften them to good texture.
But you can eat them the way they are.
You can eat them.
So what if you cut them a little bit, take them a little bit, cut them, and add them to the salad? Like the vegetable salad.
People do it. Also, people add it to Asian type of salad with pickles and a lot of this, and they just add it as a crunch factor.
As if it's crunchy and you actually cut it to smaller pieces. It could be really interesting.
But it's tasteless. So you need really pungent flavors to.
Yeah. But it will take the flavor of the salad dressing, right?
Yeah, it will totally.
That seems the beauty out of them. You can transform into anything you want.
Oh yeah.
Because you know, we like corn pasta, but corn pasta has specific flavor to it. Doesn't matter what you do, you can't let it go.
This one doesn't. I really enjoy the arrowroot. It's not arrowroot, lotus root. Do you?
I do.
I really enjoyed the lotus root today.
I made fusion. Everything is chopped. I like that more.
Thank you.
That's better. I'm seriously cutting.
That's good.
There we go. Maybe one more. Maybe one more. There we go.
Good.
No, it's perfect. Little shreds of pickleness and coldness. I love the mushrooms.
The shimiji mushrooms, yeah.
They're so awesome.
Those are one of my favorite mushrooms.
They're cute, they're little, and they're flavorful.
They're not flavorful. I need to make them flavorful.
Well, you make them flavorful anyway.
Yeah. I really love.
In the dish, they're amazing.
I really love dry shiitakes.
In the soup.
I think in this type of dishes they will be awesome as well. At least I'm thinking about them. Yeah, green onion and peppers are there as well.
I've noticed.
Okay.
Celery?
Celery. And garlic shoots.
I don't know if you guys love garlic shoots, but they're amazing.
Sometimes I use garlic shoots instead of garlic because they way more flavorful. And they have texture to them, which I absolutely adore. And it can withhold way more temperature without changing much flavor. You see?
You see?
You see? Sure. Now it didn't get as much calories as
Where's my cake?
in the shop, probably.
I don't have the cake I want in the shop.
Which cake do you want?
I want tiramisu.
Tiramisu. They have.
Good tiramisu, not
the shop ones. Yeah,
not
right.
the
I know.
version of, store-bought tiramisu.
Yeah.
I'm sure there is a store-bought somewhere good, but
Yeah, I bet.
we haven't found it yet.
No.
I have only one good tiramisu on the Upper Sunshine Coast,
Yeah.
which is like getting from our home to the ferry terminal and then taking 2 ferries.
Just for a piece of tiramisu.
Yeah, I know.
I don't think that's a good
I'm
idea.
okay to stay there for a while.
Me too.
Come on, come on.
Nice.
I think I'm
Nice
good.
combination of flavor. So.
Lotus root. Very interesting.
It's interesting. I decided to make today special. Today was creative day for me. Which means I never cook something, so I need to create something. So this is for me creative day.
My
Hello.
cute, creative little girl. I know you want this one. It has lots of green stuff on top.
Yeah. And one thing I can tell you about those noodles, you have to add a lot of flavors to them. They're practically tasteless. This one secret that you need to go with.
I'm trying to get you more green stuff.
I can get more green stuff. I have more green stuff here.
I know, but they're out of reach. You can see them. The other perilla leaves are on the table, but you can't reach them.
finish them.
Oh, I'm stuffed. I can't. I hope you didn't mean the Lotus one.
No, I meant this.
No,
this
I can't do either.
This one.
Can. That's it.
Good, you have lunch for tomorrow. She doesn't like to take spicy things to work.
No, I don't.
I don't know why.
But it's a good. Maybe it will wake me up.
Maybe. And then it's up to you, honey. You don't have to.
No, they're really good. If I'll add the egg to it, it will be perfect.
I think if you will add the egg to it,
Because egg
will be
balances it. Yeah.
egg totally balances it. And I have more mushrooms, so I can make you egg with mushrooms.
Mushrooms. How can you say no to that? When someone wants to make your lunch, you can say no to that.
Cheers, honey. Thank you for going to work. I'm happy to
Thank
make
you for all
lunch.
you do. You do lots of stuff too.
We all do.
Yeah. We're busy.
Busy bzz.
Bzz, bzz. Busy, 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 busy.
Okay.
Busy.
I think we will finish for today.
Most definitely.
Someone asked us if we eat sometimes desserts or pudding. I said, yeah, rarely.
Very sometimes.
Sometimes fruit is a pudding for us.
Yeah, pudding? No.
Pudding is not the pudding that you used to. Pudding in English it's equivalent to dessert. Just name of it, like
Oh, okay.
as a
Oh,
dessert.
pudding means dessert?
Dessert.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Rarely.
Rarely. So yeah, thank you so much for being with us. And don't forget to subscribe, write us a comment, thumbs up us, and cheers. Loving life. Have you tried to eat kelp noodles ever? Let us know in the links down below.
Yeah. Chewing live.
Hmm?
Chewing live?
Chewing life.
I was
Yeah.
chewing.
One meal at a time.
One bite at a time.
Okay.
Yeah, fair enough.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Next time.